take all this stuff out. Not really looking forward to doing it, but it has to go. Something like that. So guys, this is the plan. This is what I'm thinking is probably going to be like the best solution. So the motorcycle just fits in there with this little lump in the roof. So the plan is to have the drawer system built around the contour of the motorcycle. I don't know how achievable this is, because purely obviously I'm going to have to get in there and push this bike in and out, and I'm not sure if having no space will work, but I'll do some cardboard cutouts and see if it works. Now the plan is to have obviously smaller drawers at the back like this, or maybe I might be able to fit like the shop vac in there, and then have drawers like this, and then have obviously maybe like levels set up underneath the shop vac or the track saw stuff. These are all the measurements. Yep, you can see that. So these are the measurements for what we want to do. Let's tear this apart. Through the plywood. Let's have a look. Can you see? Yeah, see that? Remember, this was the plan. Doesn't work. Test it out, does not work. Alright. This is the new improved plan. So the motorcycle needs a lot more room than expected. So, I need to cram the same amount of tools in half the amount of space. A little bit less than half the amount of space. But I think it's achievable if I do this. If I have a big drawer that goes in and out, then I have a small drawer that comes out this way. So this drawer goes this way. This one comes this way. Then I have a shelf basically that's like this, and then that has all the Makita all stacked up to the ceiling. The vac should basically go to the ceiling as well, and then what I'm thinking is on top of this would be floor to ceiling. I'll have my table saw up there, and then I'll probably have like a little opening, and then I can put some dust sheets in there, like crowbars, hand tools. Probably just like, I don't want to put too much weight because obviously it'd be higher up in the van, but I'm thinking probably like, you know, some hand tools and maybe some screws, fixings, stuff that I don't really need all the time, but you need it on board. Like, might even just be like nail gun fixings and stuff. And actually I was thinking about maybe sticking in here like my nail guns, so that frees up one space in this drawer, and then I can use that for I don't know, I'll work it out. Maybe I want to stick fixings in this drawer. I'm not too sure what I want to do with that just yet, but this has got to be the new plan. I have tested this out with cardboard now and it kind of works. The annoying thing is I have demoed this box. So I'm going to have to rebuild this box because it actually fits in this space. So that's going to be enjoyable. I'll probably make a separate video on this because the design's going to have to work around the wheel arch. So something like this for this drawer, and it's only going to be probably around 100 mil. I reckon something like this should get, yeah, sort of onto what I need. So this measurement here be 100 millimeters. Can you see that? Yeah. And then I think this is about a meter or so. And the idea is that that slides across here.